Keep it so classic, I ride on my dresser. These hoes are my treasure, but they just get pleasure. Yeah, my life that I'm living, I never look better. Yeah, Louis the bag and Gucci the leather. Got me flying, feel like Peter Pan. Bitch, I'm 17 and I've been getting better. Think you know me, but you wouldn't even understand. Put the job in the flammable. I can't stand.
Topic gang over everything, man. You know what I'm saying? Ride on the cat. Step back like a rap like this. Whoa, man. He hit the shoulder. I knew he was gonna do that, bro. I knew he was gonna do that, bro. He launched. I knew he was.
I tell you, water.
Oh my, no.
That's a Hellcat.
No, I gotta get that. I gotta get that.
I should went with them niggas.
Oh yeah, they going in there. Bet. I'm gonna walk up to that nigga. I'm walking to the Hellcat. I gotta walk up to that nigga, bro. Damn, that's a hill.
Cole, you got C7.
Is that a track hook? Oh no, I'm geeking. I'm geeking.
This must be two different commies. You got niggas on that side and niggas on this side.
Oh, look at Holly Sana. What the fuck?
Right, that jump sexy.
I'm lost, nigga. We got to put the two. I think the muscle on that side.
Bruh, that Corvette needs to fucking pull up to the joint.
The C8? Where is that?
Yes,
I think you just on the joint just to be on the joint.
You left it, bro.
He wasn't moving.
That's a... Bro. That's a girl, bro. That was a woman, bro. Where the hell is my man at?
Call him. Damn, I can't see shit in this bitch.
Yeah, there go my man right there. You park next to him. Well,
My part right here. It's open spot. Yeah.
oh, that's, what the?
That thing is
Oh,
scat.
that's the Hellcat over there.
That thing sweet.
Nigga, is that 5? That gotta be 5%. Yeah. That's not 20. There's no way.
Yeah, that look like that.
No, I'm about to pull up over there.
Yeah, young. This ain't looking real sweet out here. My man got the challenge out here.
What you gonna do?
Oh, your first time with a meet like this too? Oh yeah, that's a
Okay,
bet.
give me, man. You know what the fuck going on, Mr. Who, Mr. Velo on my back, bitch. Rap Simmons on my feet. These cost a lot of money. No cap. Camera costs more than your life.
Oh, damn, more than your life though?
Yeah, more than niggas' life. You know why? Because they ain't doing shit with their life.
Oh, you pulling up right here too.
Hey, you, what's your name? You,
Shout out to YouTube.
Z-Dress.
Alright, there you go. That joint looking sweet. Where'd you go to get your wrap?
I did it.
You did it yourself?
I'm in quarantine because I'm bored.
Shit. I got the red RT over there. That joint is sweet. That joint nice. You got the 5.0. Y'all want to shout out your Instagram and shit? Want to shout out your Instagram and shit?
Oh yeah. Shout out Swag King 205 EW Brown 619 at gmail.com. Sucker Free Bomb. Find me on Instagram 301.
And is this you right here?
Bro, get a cold start, bro. Give him a cold start.
What you got?
It ain't much, but it's something. It ain't nothing much. Oh yeah, oh.
Nigga, oh, funny as shit. Just a little quiet.
That ain't quiet. That ain't. That man said, shh. Who this right here?
My shit down there.
This ain't sweet. I got the red RT over there.
Oh yeah? So that ain't hard. The RT?
Yeah, it's stock. I don't got nothing done to it though.
Oh.
It's still sweet stock.
You got the Punisher logo on there. This ain't sweet.
That's slime, dude.
With that green Charger, that had green headlights and all that.
Man got the Stingray. We saw a C8 earlier. That ain't fun.
Shout out to your Instagram, anything like that? Good. Man, where you at?
That ain't clean as shit. This shit, bro. Man got that shit top. These ain't sweet. Who drank this right here? Who this right here? That's you? You want to shout out your Instagram and stuff? Instagram or anything like that? I said, yeah, Instagram or anything like that?
Yeah, that's my Instagram.
That's it right there?
Hey, so if it started raining, what happened? I mean, I was in the Baltimore Banger swinging while it was raining. So it's like, you know, missing it all.
He said he a savage, bro.
Fuck it, hey, look, go hard. Facts. Get this right here. Spares just in case.
That joint built like shit.
My man got the hood open on that mug, you know what I'm saying?
You got the Lexus joint over here. There's some bikes. Man, that joint. You got the cam on that joint. That cam on that joint. That. Oh, they put up like a squad too. You got the cam on that bitch.
Damn, look at that, man.
Oh yeah, hey, they not playing, dog.
That ain't bending.
Who got the Mustang? That's you? You want to shout out your Instagram and stuff like that?
Huh?
You shout out your Instagram and stuff like that?
One slow Rico.
Uh-huh. That ain't sweet though. You say it's an Ego Boost?
Don't get the rims in, they're coming soon.
I got it. It's all good. I'm driving the stock RT. You good? That ain't sweet. You got that thing over there. I fuck with the STI though. STI go up.
Yeah, put my camera. No, I ain't.
Oh, they got the G87. It's starting to get packed now. Oh yeah. That shit dog and shit, bro. He got a whole nother squad in this. Oh yeah, see, he pulled up in this beater, son. He pulled up in the beater, dog.
The man take for all back to your car, wait. Tell you the man them tear back and drive off, you know? What you say that shit off the lead? What you Yo, fuck your ball.